Pictured here is the Electrogen thermal fogger. There are also other foggers on the market that are thermal. In other words, the barrel heats up and it creates a smaller particle size of the fogging solution, duplicating that of actual smoke. The other types of foggers are cold mist foggers. The particle size isn't as small, and that's used specifically with water-based products. Now, our FireClean Negate 25 is a water-based product, but it is designed specifically for a thermal fogging system such as this, and I will demonstrate how we use that. And throughout the whole process of cleaning a piano, I keep in mind that even though we go through and we've cleaned, as you've seen in the previous videos, we wipe things down, we detoxify and so forth, typically the Electrogen is one of the last steps in the detoxification process. This particular unit is actually a thermal fogging tent. It's made out of PVC and saran wrap. John Parham gave me this idea, and so I figured I would make one. This particular unit is 7 foot long by 3 foot wide. It'll house pretty much all of your case parts, piano actions, and so forth. Here I've actually stood the thermal fogging unit on its end, or I should say the containment system on end, and over here on the left you can see the action up on the table. I'm going to go ahead and put that down on the floor and then set the containment unit over it as I'm heating up the thermal fogger, and I've got that placed down here on the floor right there. And just a quick aside, you'll see how it has the two clips, one on each side, and that whole head comes off, and that's actually where you would pour your Negate 25. And Negate 25 are sold in bottles, 32-ounce bottles, so you can put one bottle in there and that'll last you a long time. Inside our fogging containment system, I have a vertical action on a cradle. I just set it on the floor. You can actually put it on a couple of risers or a small table or something, and you can put your case parts underneath, as well as put your keys on a board or something of that nature. The whole time when I'm cleaning a piano, my end process I'm thinking of down the line is thermal fogging. This helps to ensure that indeed we negate those odor-bearing particles. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate using the thermal fogging agent, Negate 25, in the Electrogen. And let me back out here a little bit and I'll show you exactly what that looks like.